11 signs your liver is failing or damaged. Hi there, welcome to Bloom. The liver is a large organ that sits on the right side of your abdomen just under your rib cage. It plays a vital role in the digestion of food and the absorption of nutrients. It filters the blood that comes from the digestive tract before sending this blood to the rest of the body. It's responsible for detoxifying chemicals, ridding your body of toxic substances, and metabolizing drugs. When the liver is damaged, it causes widespread problems throughout the body. Liver damage requires immediate medical attention. In today's video, we will go over 11 signs your liver may be failing or damaged. Make sure you watch until the very end so you don't miss some of the most important signs that tell you that you may have liver failure. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos like this and much more. Number 1. Swollen abdomen. One of the more obvious signs of liver damage is the swelling of the abdomen. This occurs when fluid leaks from the surface of the liver and the intestines, resulting in an accumulation of protein-filled fluid in the abdomen. The abdomen can swell so large that it makes the person look pregnant. This can cause discomfort and shortness of breath. The swelling can also spread to the legs and the ankles. Number 2. Loss of appetite. Loss of appetite is a common symptom that usually occurs in the early stages of liver failure. This occurs because of the damage liver failure causes on the digestive system. Loss of appetite can result in significant weight loss when liver damage progresses. You can become completely uninterested in food, which can result in malnutrition and other potentially life-threatening health problems if not caught early. Number 3. Jaundice. Jaundice is yellowish discoloration to the skin and the whites of the eyes. This is one of the most recognized symptoms of liver damage. Bilirubin is a yellowish pigment that is made during the normal breakdown of red blood cells. It passes through the liver and is eventually excreted out of the body. When the liver is damaged, bilirubin is unable to be eliminated as waste from the body. As there becomes an excess of bilirubin in the blood, this causes the skin and the eyes to have a yellow hue. Number 4. Itchy skin. Constant itching of the skin and the development of a flaky rash are telltale signs of liver damage. Skin irritation occurs because of the body's lack of fluid flow. Itching of the skin can begin early during liver disease before any other symptoms appear, so it's important to consider liver disease if this symptom develops. Enjoying this video? Comment down below and give us a like to support the channel. Number 5. Changes in the urine. When you have liver damage, your urine may become dark yellow in color. This is the result of the excess of bilirubin in the body. Bilirubin is found in bile, a fluid in your liver that helps you digest food. If your liver is healthy, it will eliminate the bilirubin from the body. If your liver is damaged, the bilirubin builds up and can leak into the blood and urine. When high levels of bilirubin are excreted through the kidneys, it results in dark yellow urine. Dark urine can also be caused by many other conditions, such as dehydration, kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and more. It is important to see a doctor to get a proper diagnosis when you notice changes in your urine color. Number 6. Abdominal pain and tenderness. Abdominal pain that is in the upper right side of the abdomen, just under the rib cage, could be a sign of liver damage. This pain is usually described as consistent throbbing or stabbing pain that does not permanently go away with the use of medication. Number 7. Changes in the stool. Liver damage can also cause changes in your stool or bowel movements. It can change the color and makeup of your stool as well as how often you are able to have a bowel movement. These changes can include pale stool, blood in the stool, constipation, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and more. Changes in your stool that are related to short-term digestive issues that last only a couple of days are no cause for concern, but any changes that persist for more than a few days could be caused by liver disease or other serious conditions. Number 8. Nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting are common symptoms that indicate several digestive issues. Most often, people relate these symptoms to food poisoning or the stomach flu, but nausea and vomiting are also symptoms of liver damage. As your liver becomes damaged, it is unable to help remove toxins from the body, which can trigger persistent vomiting. This symptom usually occurs in liver damage that has progressed, so if you experienced prolonged nausea and vomiting, you should seek medical attention immediately. Number 9. Water retention swelling in the legs and ankles. When the liver is seriously damaged, It can lead to the retention of fluid in the legs, ankles, and feet. This is a result of the liver no longer capable of removing waste products from the body, leading to a problem with blood flow. These waste products deposit in other places in the body, mainly in the legs and the feet, causing swelling. Number 10. Bruising easily. The liver is responsible for making proteins that are vital in the blood clotting process. When there is damage to the liver, there are not enough proteins produced, resulting in a problem with blood clotting. As a result, individuals will notice that they tend to bruise or bleed easily. If you start to develop areas of skin discoloration appearing in various areas on your body, seek medical attention. Number 11. Exhaustion and fatigue. Everyday life stressful events can cause you to feel tired from time to time, but chronic exhaustion and fatigue could indicate a more serious condition. Exhaustion and fatigue are some of the most common symptoms of liver damage. The exhaustion is so severe that it starts to interfere with everyday life. Feeling excessively tired or weak could be the result of low blood oxygen and the accumulation of waste products due to reduced liver functions. If you liked this video, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.